Hi there. Are you tired of feeling like you're always running behind, struggling to get everything done on time? Do you wish you could be more productive and efficient, so you can get things done faster and have more time to relax or pursue your other interests? Well, you're in luck, because in this video, we're going to talk about how to get things done 2 times faster. Whether you're working in an office setting, running your own business, or just trying to stay organized at home, these tips and strategies can help you boost your productivity and get more done in less time. First, let's start with the basics: organization and planning. It might seem obvious, but having a clear plan of what needs to be done and breaking it down into smaller, manageable tasks can save you a lot of time and frustration. One tool that can be really helpful for this is the Getting Things Done or GTD method, developed by productivity expert David Allen. The GTD method involves capturing all of your tasks and ideas in one place, organizing them into actionable items, and setting clear goals and deadlines for each one. Another key factor in getting things done faster is focusing on one task at a time. It's easy to get distracted by notifications, emails, or other distractions. But when you focus on one task at a time, you'll be able to complete it more quickly and efficiently. To help you stay focused, try using a timer or a productivity app like Freedom or Forest. These tools allow you to set a specific amount of time to work on a task, and then block out distractions like social media or emails until you're done. But it's not just about focusing on one task at a time. It's also about being strategic about which tasks you choose to work on. To get the most out of your time, it's important to prioritize your tasks and focus on the ones that are most important or have the highest impact. One way to do this is by using the Eisenhower matrix, which helps you prioritize tasks based on their importance and urgency. This can help you identify which tasks are worth your time and effort, and which ones can be delegated or put on the back burner for now. Another tip for getting things done faster is to minimize unnecessary tasks and streamline your workflow. Take a look at your daily routine and see if there are any tasks that aren't really necessary or that you can automate or delegate to someone else. For example, if you're spending a lot of time on manual data entry or scheduling appointments, you might be able to use a tool like Zapier or If to automate these tasks and save yourself some time. Finally, don't forget to take breaks and give yourself time to recharge. It might seem counterintuitive, but taking regular breaks can actually help you be more productive in the long run. Taking breaks allows you to step away from your work, refocus your mind, and come back to your tasks with renewed energy and focus. So there you have it, some tips and strategies for getting things done 2 times faster. With a little bit of organization, focus, and streamlining, you can boost your productivity and get more done in less time. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your productivity goals. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.